So over the holidays, I do get asked a lot about what I do as a project manager, and I thought it would be interesting to do a video about how to get started in project management. If you're new here, hi, my name is Chong, and I'm a qualified and practicing project manager in the property and infrastructure industry for the past 17 years. I work with clients in both public and private sector on multi-billion-dollar projects in Australia and globally. So what is a project manager? It is a role created to manage projects, and he or she is responsible to plan, execute, and coordinate the project to make sure that it's completed on time, on budget, and to the quality that is expected. There are many types of project managers because there are many types of projects. For example, there are project managers in the construction sector, in technology, in finance, in manufacturing, and so much more. And this is because there are different skill sets required to do different types of project depending on the nature of the work. But the day-to-day core task of a project manager remains broadly the same, which is generally around scope, meaning what you are required to do, schedule, meaning the time required to finish the project, finance, meaning how much money you have to spend, resources, meaning the people who are working on the project, risk, meaning anticipating what could go wrong, and of course ensuring the end product is of high quality. This ties into the question of what are some of the core personality traits that will help you become a successful project manager in the long run? And is project management suitable for you? The answer to that is that you need to be someone with the following 5 key traits. 1. Enjoy collaboration and be a good communicator. As you will be working with groups of people from different backgrounds and building relationships with teams, you need to have the ability to communicate clearly and send accurate messages across. 2. Able to lead and have a good sense of urgency. As a project manager, you need to be able to gather the people and move the team forward. 3. Not daunted by paperwork or administration tasks. Every project comes with stacks of paperwork. You need to be able to push through that and get it done. 4. Able to navigate and problem solve. You will find many challenges during the project delivery, and as a project manager, one of your key roles is to work with your team to try to untangle the knots, find options, and work through to a solution. 5. Enjoy planning and consistently be looking ahead. And this needs to be almost habitual if you want to be a successful project manager in the long run. So then the million-dollar question. To get started in project management, do I need a degree or diploma? To answer that question, it really depends on which stage of career you are in. If you are a high school student with no prior experience and would like to apply to be a project manager in the construction sector, for example, yes, a diploma or degree will provide you with more ammunition to ace the job interview because you've got just more things to talk about that is relevant in the project management field. However, if you have several years of experience in some shape or form relating to managing people, problem solving, demonstrating you've got the right leadership skill set that is relevant to be a project manager, then your experience will be more valuable than a degree or a diploma. Finally, I would encourage you to start networking with industry professionals in the project management sector so you could gather more information to figure out if this is right for you. I have been fortunate that I have a number of mentors that I've learned from over the years, so I'm keen to hear from you. And what about project management that interests you? Do leave a comment if you have any questions or if you would like to have a deeper dive on any particular topics. If you have enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button. Until then, signing off for now.